When we send our kids to school, we want to know they will be safe from illegal school bus passing and from reckless drivers. We keep our students safe with school bus stop arm safety cameras. The automated system helps enhance safety as kids enter and exit the school bus. Here's how it works. School bus stop arm safety cameras detect vehicles that illegally pass. The system generates evidence of the event, which includes video and images of the vehicle, one before the stop arm, one after, and a close-up image of the license plate. The information is wirelessly transmitted to a secure platform where the issuing authority, typically law enforcement, reviews the event and confirms whether a violation occurred. The citation is mailed to the registered owner of the vehicle. Our school bus safety program is helping to change driver behavior and save lives.